Did you know that 87% of businesses are already using AI to boost their earnings? With the right tools, you can join them. But here's the thing. Most people don't know where to start. That's why we've put together this video, to show you the top 5 AI tools that are making people money right now. In this video, we'll take you through the top 5 AI tools that are generating income for people right now. From automated trading to content creation, we'll show you how these tools work and what you can do to get started. We'll also cover the benefits and drawbacks of each tool, so you can make informed decisions about which ones to use. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage AI to increase your income. Automated trading is one of the most popular AI-powered income streams. With tools like, you can create automated trading bots that buy and sell stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. But here's the thing. These tools require some technical expertise to set up. However, the potential rewards are huge, with some traders reporting returns of up to. To get started, you'll need to choose a trading platform, develop a trading strategy, and set up your automated trading bot. Content creation is another lucrative AI-powered income stream. With tools like, you can create high-quality content like blog posts, articles, and social media posts. But here's the thing. These tools require some creativity to set up. However, the potential rewards are huge, with some content creators reporting earnings of up to. To get started, you'll need to choose a content creation platform, develop a content strategy, and set up your AI-powered content creation tool.